So the camera, let you guys know, it is fantastic to have if you're a delivery guy, Uber driver, or taking the kids to school. You know, it has a camera that it pretty much covers all angles except for the sides, but the interior camera is one of the best cameras I've seen. The night mode is, it's just phenomenal. The night mode, it changes. So say you have passengers in your car and you know they're not acting out or something's happening, it's a perfect way to get some evidence there too, you know, because these days things happen, people get away with it. Now you could clearly see license plates on cars, you could clearly see the faces and the audio, what's going on inside the car. What I like about it is that it completely separates all the videos. It separates the driving video, the backward video, the one in the background, and then the interior video. I like that. So you don't have to show every single thing, and you can remove certain things, timestamps. Easy to use the camera. I really enjoy it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video too. Today we're going to take a look at a car camera. Now this is a 4K camera. We're going to take a look at it and see what you get. It goes from 4K to 1080, but if you want it to last longer, you want to make sure 1080. If you want short films and loop over, it'll be a 4K. But we're going to take a look at it, see some of the options, and we're going to take it off for a spin and actually start using it. So let's open it up and see what you get. Now take a look at the actual camera. There's a forward camera, and then there's a charging station, and there's a cam. It's a digital transfer. Now if you guys can see, there is a lens in the front, and like I said, it's 4K up to 1080 to 4K, right? Now on the other side, there's another camera for the inside passenger. So if you're going to do Uber driving, or you're going to drive from place to place, this is perfect for your passengers, and this is perfect for any accidents or anything that you're driving in the front. Now on the side panel, there's a power button, and if you guys can see there, a micro SD card goes in here, right? So you get the micro SD card, power button, and that's pretty much what you get on that. Buttons on the bottom. Let's take a look at the buttons on the bottom. If you guys can see it, there are buttons associated to actually the displays here, right? What else is included in the actual package? Of course, they give you the main thing, the power source, all right? This is very important. Now, there's ways to connect the actual camera without going through the actual cable. There's actually direct connections to your fuse box, and we're gonna do a video on that one day. So let's go ahead and keep a look at this. Oh man, you guys are gonna love this. Now, besides the front camera, they give you the back camera, and this is a plus. It's a big plus. Look at that, a camera for the back. Oh man, this is a big plus. I actually look how much string they give you, an extension cord, and this is for the secondary camera, from the secondary display here that goes in here. All right, it's the connection for the cam. This is cam here. So you have one, and then you have two. So this will be in the back of your car that you have to plug in. And then on the front of it, you could have it two ways. You could either set this out, this mount. You guys can see the mount has like a suction cup. All right, we're gonna plug it in right now. The camera, if you guys can see it, and it goes right here on the secondary. All right, so we're just gonna go plug it in there. It's in there, and we are gonna cable management this, but we just want to make sure it runs first before we do any dramatic changes. So I do have the internal camera, the power, and then the back exterior camera, the one in the camera. So the camera in the back, right? So we're gonna take a look at it. So I'm gonna place the camera right here, and even though it's facing up, you can still move the camera. If you guys can see it, you could twist it down. So we're gonna set it up here so I can see the back of the car when I'm driving, and see that it goes. And I'm gonna send the wire out to the back. Yeah, I'm gonna actually plan to maybe put the camera here in the future, but right now we're just gonna place it here and see how it goes. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is pretty much what I'm looking at, everything in the back. You see the front, the back. Now you can see the back, and I am gonna have it twisted. I have to twist the camera in the back. If you guys can see it, it's flipped, so we are gonna have to flip that camera. Make sure we do get nice and see. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, flip that camera. But when it captures all in one, so you don't have to worry about that.